Sorry, my phone rang, so my video shut off. This bedroom is, looks like 11 by 13. So then in the hallway to the left, we have a huge bathroom. So this, they do have a tub where the ceiling is more sloped. So you definitely have to watch yourself standing up out of the tub, but they do have a shower, which is nice. So it looks like with a pan and then tile around it. They've got 2 sinks, so it's a good size in here. I'm 5'7", and I start hitting my head closer to around where the tub is. So the majority of this I'm not having to duck, but I would if I stood up outside of the tub. And then across from that is what they're calling the master bedroom. So they have a queen size bed in here. It would be pretty impossible to fit a king bed up here. You can see the roof here. It looks like a newer roof. We do have a decent amount of peeling paint on these windows. Again, these are single pane window, original windows. There's a little cut in over here where they have a dresser, and then they've got another dresser here. And again, the ceilings don't feel low to me up here, and it could be because they have so many windows, it's really light. And then closet. So a little tight on closet space. And then into bedroom number 3. So they've got 2 twin beds in here. I don't know if any of these rooms would fit a king-size bed. And then we do have a little closet over here, which is pretty small. They've got just kind of kid stuff. They've got mostly shelves in there. It looks like a well cared for home. Okay, so let me go down to the basement. The home smells good. It does have a good feel to it. Okay, so basement, you do have to watch your head going down. Unfinished basement. Low ceilings, so this basement couldn't ever legally be finished. We've got a newer 200 amp panel. We've got an electric water heater that looks on the newer side, but it does not have earthquake straps on it, so it would need those. I see a combination of original galvanized plumbing and then also copper plumbing. We've got an old tub here. Let's see here. They've got a lot of stuff stacked here, so it's a little difficult to see. They do have a high efficiency gas furnace, no AC. My guess is upstairs probably does get a little bit warm. It's a newer furnace and it's a 200 amp panel, so it wouldn't be too hard to install AC. So from here, this is where we have the entrances to the to the garages. Let's see if I can find a light here. Oh. So we basically have 2 single car garages down here. They basically have it filled with stuff. And then we've got a step down, which is good. So if water gets in, since it's a tuck under garage, it's not going to get into the basement because there's a step down for the basement. Smells dry down here. Smells like maybe there's a cat somewhere. So I do smell a little bit of cat pee smell. It could just be a mustiness. Looks like the ducts are all insulated. And then here is garage number 2, which also has a step down. Let's see if I can find, I can't find a light on this one. This one's a little bit wider. It does have a step down to it, and they're again using it for storage stuff. So this basement is really a storage basement. It's not ever a finishable basement. Let me run the water upstairs real fast since we do have some original galvanized plumbing to see how the pressure is. Water pressure went down a little bit. Not terrible, but if you probably had laundry going and dishwasher going, you may lose some more pressure. Because the basement is unfinished, it does make the plumbing more accessible, which is easier to change out.